all possible values of m. So m is the solution of this quadratic equation. The first attempt I try to do always is to solve by factorization, and 2m and m, and I want two numbers. When I multiply them together, they give me 8, either 8 and 1 and 4 and 2. If I do 4 and 2, I won't get the middle term, and if I do 8 and 1, it won't give me that, so I cannot use this approach. So my other alternative is to use the quadratic formula. So m is equal minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. In this case, our a is equal to, our b is equal minus 16, and our c is equal 8. So m is equal minus 16, that'll be 16, plus or minus square root of minus 16 squared minus 4 into a, which is 2, into c, which is 8, plus 8 over 2a, 2 times 2. That'll give me m is equal 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 64 over 4. 256 minus 64, 2, that is 15, 9, that is 1. So 192, so m is equal 16 plus or minus a square root of 192. If you do not know how to find, so basically I'm looking to find the square root of 92, I need 192 to be the product of two numbers. One is a perfect square times another number. Since I can't know it right away, the easiest way is to either use the tree or the table and factorize 192 to its prime factors. The least prime factor, prime number, is 2. Let's check that out. That is 9. 6 over 2, that is 48 over 2, that is 24 over 2, that is a 12 over 2, that is 6 over 2, that's 3 over 3, that is 1. So every two numbers, I pick one out of that for the square root. So that'll be 2 times 2 times 2 times square root of 3. So square root of 192, it should be 8 square root of 3. So in here I come to my problem in here, down, and we say m is equal 16 plus or minus 8 root 3, and I'm going to separate it over 4 over 4. So that'll give me two roots. Let's call it m1 is equal 4 plus 2 root 3, and m2, which is equal 4 minus 2 root 3. He wants the sum of the values of m, so that is m1 plus m2. If I were to add them, add these, that will give me 8, and these they will cancel, plus 0, so the answer is 8. So the sum of all possible values of m will produce 8, making my correct answer is D.